Today, Podium Mobile Detailing is going to take you through our Podium Express service. The Podium Express service is a great choice for cars, preferably 2023 or newer, that require regular maintenance, ready for a transformation. First up, the exterior wash. Our technicians meticulously hand wash your vehicle using microfiber wash mitts and pH-neutral shampoos, ensuring every inch of your car's exterior, including the door and trunk jambs, are spotlessly cleaned without harming the paint. Next, the wheels. We degrease, clean, and dress your wheels, enhancing their durability and appeal. This not only revives the look, but also protects the wheels from road salts and grime. Inside, we start with a full interior blowout and a light vacuum. Our goal is to extract loose dirt and debris, setting the stage for detailed cleaning of the interior spaces. Every control button and panel is intricately detailed. From the dash to the center console, we ensure that every component is meticulously wiped clean, maintaining the aesthetic and functional quality of your vehicle's interior. For a crystal clear view, the windows are cleaned inside and out until streak-free, enhancing your driving experience by maintaining both clarity and safety. Podium Express is ideal for keeping newer vehicles in pristine condition. However, it might not be suitable for cars used primarily to transport children, those not detailed in over 6 months, or vehicles with excessive dirt and stains. For such needs, explore our other detailed services tailored to bring back the shine regardless of condition. Check out our other packages, and once you're ready to book, click the button below and see why our customers keep coming back.